Now for our third and final merit analysis group, which is the tropical crops. And I'd like to invite and introduce Rohan Rainbow. Rohan's with Crop Protection Australia and is our discussion lead for the tropical crops. So over to you, Rohan.
Thank you, Alan. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are. We're going to have our discussion now about the tropical crops discussion, and just to share with you that there's no, I suppose, merit analysis difference between the scores here. It's just important to remember that there's a dual scoring process. There are no losers. We're ranking for merit only. There's scores that are independent and they're not competitive really between the groups, such as the temperate and greenhouse sectors. And what we have now is what's remaining of the top 15 that came out of the global process. And now we're going to go through a series of presentations around what has actually come from that merit analysis. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ken Samoil of the IR4 project in the United States, and I am a member of the mango fruit fly teams. Two genera of fruit flies are pests on mangoes, Bactrocera and Ceratitis. The potential solutions presented may be considered for both. Three of the materials are biopesticides produced by Marone Bioinnovations: Grandevo, Venerate XC, and MBI 306. Residue data are not needed for any of these. They should be exempt from MRLs in all countries. Efficacy data is needed to support registrations of these products. Each of these products received a total of 5 points in the priority ranking. The other 4 products that have received confirmation of registrant support for international registrations to control fruit flies on mango are as follows. Spinosad is a Corteva product that is a natural substance made by a soil bacterium. It is a reduced risk insecticide and has received 6 points. Chlorantraniliprole is an FMC product that is in the rhinoid class. It is a reduced risk insecticide and has received 5 points. Flupyridifurone is a Bayer product that is a member of the butenolide class. It is also a reduced risk insecticide and has received 4 points. Malathion is now an FMC product that is a member of the organophosphate class. Malathion has received 3 points.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night. I'm going to present the merit analysis highlights of mango, Colletotrichum, Anthracnose. My name is Adriana Castañeda from Colombia, South America. I was the leader of this combination. This combination originally was ranked second. The expert group was formed by people from the US, Colombia, Argentina, Brazil, and ACP countries. There are countries from African, Caribbean, and Pacific states. 9 solutions were originally offered, 3 chemical, 6 biological. We found, or the expert group found, that there were different needs and experiences in different regions of the world, and all solutions were feasible. The total merit analysis score of this combination was 86. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. This is the merit analysis summary of coffee beetle, Hypothenemus hampei. I'm Adriana Castañeda. I'm from Colombia, South America. This combination was voted as a priority by Panama, Colombia, Costa Rica, US, Ghana, Ecuador, and Australia. The expert group was with people from Panama, Costa Rica, US, including Puerto Rico and Australia. This is the most limited pest in coffee. In order to control it, there have been residue problems, and that caused rejection and additional testing. So that means additional cost for producers or exporters 7 solutions were identified by the expert group, six chemical, 1 biological. At the end, only 2 got points because of lack of efficacy or lack of support from registrants. Indoxacarb was selected as a main solution and it was offered for studies in Australia. The total score was 12.
The merit analysis for tomato and the control of the pest Tuta absoluta includes both conventional and biological-based solutions. Within the proposed solutions, with highest priority, we have 1. A synergistic system combining an attractant for mass trapping, 2. A microbial-based biopesticide, and 3. A reduced-risk pesticide to complete systems approach. It is important to highlight that pest control is needed across all 3 production systems. This is temperate, tropical, and greenhouse. The manufacturers that provided information on the selected products say that they are effective under these systems. None of the solutions require registry studies. Most of them are exempt from these or already have enough studies carried out. Nevertheless, the Global Minor Use Foundation could support local efficacy data generation when local efficacy test demonstration is necessary to register and commercialize the technologies. In addition to assigning the score, the team classified the solutions received as high, medium, and low, considering criteria such as the efficacy of the substance and the replacement of the old technology.
Hello, I'm going to present the highlights of the merit analysis of Avocado and Phytophthora. Katia Aguilar was the leader. She's from Mexico. The expert group was formed by people from Mexico, Colombia, Panama, Costa Rica, Ecuador, Peru, Argentina, and the US. This is a pathogen that highly limits the production. Most people from Latin America that participated in this merit analysis, that were scientists, regulators, and producers, selected this combination as a high priority for the region. Since avocado is the representative crop for the group 24, we talked to registrants to try to get solutions for both avocado and pineapple. At the end, we got 9 solutions offered in total, but 4 of them were together offered for pineapple and avocado. So experts of this group are recommended these solutions as priority for studies in the future. Hello, I'm going to present the merit analysis highlights of Cacao Phytophthora. The expert group was formed by people from Colombia, Panama, US, and Australia. It was voted as a priority by the US, Australia, Ghana, Vietnam, and Brazil. There are very limited solutions to control this disease. We got 8 solutions identified, 7 chemical and 1 biological, and the total score was 62. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. I'm going to present the highlight of the merit analysis of mango santomonads. I am Adriana Castañeda. I was the leader in this combination from Colombia, South America. The expert group was composed by people from the US, Colombia, and Brazil. This is the only bacteria in the top 45. There was low participations from initial voters and registrants. So we had to reach to biological companies with ideas and also to authors of papers that had published in this pathosystem. So they presented us with 4 solutions, and we went through each one of them, and we found that the 3 closer to have efficacy studies and some hopes for success were 3. So for that we included those on the merit analysis, and the total score was 24.
Hello everyone, Edouard Lehmann from Colletotrichum SCP presenting you the merit analysis for Aubergine and Thrips. What we can say is that there are today existing solutions for this crop pest combination, but they are not registered in all the country of interest, and that's why registrant indicated interest to register their product in 22 countries in Africa, Caribbean, and Latin America. We identified 11 solutions, 6 of them being considered as mature enough for this exercise, and 5 still being considered as research initiative and therefore to be considered in the future. We registered the interest from Katia to register Spinetoram, which has already proven efficacy against thrips. These solutions are also introducing alternative mode of actions with biopesticide that will prevent building up of resistance observed with spinosins, but also preventing amiral accidents because some of them do not need an NRL. Over the 6 solutions retained, they are all compatible with the IPM strategy, which is really important because it's difficult to fight the thrips only with chemical application. There is also one trapping solution that could be used for both monitoring and mass trapping, so in combination with other solutions. And we have a total of 75 points. Thank you.
Merit Analysis Summary. Banana, Cosmopolites sordidus. Carla Serafino. This pest is one of the main threats to banana crops all around the world, and it may allow the presence of various diseases. There are not many options to control this pest, and the current products available present a high toxicological, ecotoxicological risk. We had proposed 3 possible solutions to this. These solutions are suitable for IPM, they have different modes of actions, they have shown a good efficacy in curculios, and present a lower risk. Bananas offer crop grouping MRR opportunities for these possible solutions, which are broad-spectrum insecticides. Other considerations. Bananas are one of the most consumed kinds of fruit. They are even suitable for baby food. Farmers do not have access to insecticides that meet the foreign market's reigning standards.
In terms of highlight strength of the merit analysis, in number 1, the team proposes 7 potential solutions to control Phytophthora in pineapple. In number 2, 4 conventional fungicides are included that may require MRL determination in pineapple. In number 3, the merit analysis form also includes 3 fungicides exempted for tolerances levels, as can be seen. In number 4, among the solutions, there are opportunities for efficacy trials. And in number 5, there are also opportunities for residue trials or to generate data for MRL establishment. And finally, the team opinion is that the possibility to use the pineapple Phytophthora solutions as potentially effective to control Phytophthora in avocado and cocoa crop pest combinations was not directly considered.